What's up guys, Surge here. So we are just 2 days away from the official announcement of OnePlus 6, but you should not expect any real surprises, and that's because Amazon Germany accidentally listed the OnePlus 6 along with high resolution photos and pricing. The listing for the two variants are no longer available for viewing, which suggested that the retailer giant has removed them, but we still have the information that have surfaced through the Amazon Germany listing of OnePlus 6. The device was listed in two color options, that is mirror black and midnight black, with the former option having a glass back panel. Even though leaked information has revealed that there could be a white edition of OnePlus 6, this color variant was not listed on the site. The listing has also revealed that the OnePlus 6 would be available for buying in the country starting from May 22. On May 21, the Chinese manufacturer will be carrying out global pop-up events at multiple regions including European countries to let OnePlus fans buy the OnePlus 6 before the official release date. The site had listed OnePlus 6 in 64GB and 128GB storage variants. These models are respectively packed with 6GB and 8GB of RAM. The 64GB and 128GB OnePlus 6 variants were respectively listed with pricing of €519 and €569. The Chinese manufacturer has itself confirmed that the OnePlus 6 will also be available in higher model featuring 256GB of storage and 8GB of RAM. However, this variant was not listed on the retailer side. Also, the base model with mirror black will be exclusively available in Germany. If customer wants to purchase the matte version, they will have to invest in the 128GB model that comes with 8GB of RAM. As far as the specs are concerned, previous leaks have already revealed that the OnePlus 6 will be arriving with a 6.28-inch optic AMOLED display that supports 19:9 aspect ratio and Full HD Plus resolution of 2280 x 1080p. The notch present on the top of the display feature an earpiece, a notification LED, and a 16-megapixel front-facing camera. Despite of a notch, the device accommodates a slightly thinner bottom bezel. The vertical dual camera setup sitting on the rear of the phone features a 16-megapixel and a 20-megapixel sensor. Now, the dual camera setups are equipped with features like optical image stabilization, portrait mode, and slow-mo video shooting. Other specs involves a 3300 mAh battery, dual SIM support, Android 8.1, upgradable to Android P, and the Qualcomm's Snapdragon 845 chipset. The OnePlus 6 is first flagship phone from the company to feature glass chassis. According to the listing, the OnePlus 6 features a Gorilla Glass 5 on its front and rear sides. It features an aluminum frame with the alert slider now positioned on the right side. The listing also confirmed that the OnePlus 6 will be water repellent. However, there was no mentioning of IP rating on Amazon, and last but not the least, there's a 3.5mm headphone jack on the OnePlus 6. So that said, tell me your thoughts about this in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.